Alright, y'all, welcome to my math series called Why Math Why? Not to be mistaken for Why Math? Why do you hurt me so? This video series is going to get jumping right away with an equation. Let's start out with 2x minus, let's go with 1/7 equals, I don't know, 1/5. And what we're going to be talking about here is the side quest theory. It's not an actual theory in math. And what it basically says is to solve out an equation like this, you're going to have your main storyline, just like in a movie or a show, and then you're going to have your backstory, your side story, that eventually is going to go back into the main story. And so let's see what that entails. So this is something that I think everybody can jump into, which is how to organize their thoughts a little bit better when solving equations, no matter how difficult it is. So with an equation like this, we would add 1/7 to both sides. And I'm not going over the concept of why I'm adding 1/7 to both sides, but I'm going over how to organize our thoughts. Now, some people at this point would jump into their calculator or they try to do this work right here, and this is where the work starts to break down. What I do is I take this work and mentally I put it off to the side. Side work is probably what you've heard of it as, but I'm likening it to how your brain naturally works with stories. So here's our side story. We're not going to worry about this. We're going to continue back to the main story once we've solved out this little side dilemma here. So we need a common denominator of 35. Again, not going over why I'm adding the way I am, just the thought processes. Common denominator of 35. So I get 7/35. Just doing my side work. Fully focused on this side work right now, not worrying about any of this junk. 5/35. And that is going to give you one heck of a great number. Who doesn't love a solid 12/35? You're going to take 12/35 now. That is the product, the fruition, big words here in this math video, of all of your work off to the side. That is what this sum is right here. And so now you're going to get 2x is equivalent to, these guys canceled out, the sum, which is, 12/5. Sorry, little technical difficulties there. Now, with all of that done, you now just need to focus on this part, which, to get x alone, you just divide by 2. Of course, dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. And the 2 goes into itself once, into 12 6 times, and you're left with 6/35. So, again, let me reiterate. The point of this video is not to go over how to solve an equation, but to show you how you can organize your thoughts on the side, which is pretty darn cool. All right, that is it for the first video right here. Stay tuned with me as we go over all kinds of crazy stuff, from how you can add up infinitely many numbers and get a finite number, to how to divide, add, subtract, multiply fractions, to what is integration, to things of all different levels of math. I hope you're willing to come along for the ride with me. I'm pretty stoked. For now, math hard. Peace.